Hi, my name is Carlos, and this is my homework of my routines. My day start with I wake up, later brush my teeth. Well, later I eat my breakfast. Later, I take a bath. Later, get dresses. I get dresses. That is in the morning. Later in the afternoon, I go to the gym. Later, I go to the university. Well, later in the night, come my home. I eat my my food. Later, watch TV and finish. I sleep in my bedroom and already finish.